2010 Volkswagen Passat. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. A low odometer reading makes this vehicle a great value at this price. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Navigation included to help you get to your destination with ease. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Call today to schedule a test drive.